So it's a Tuesday, and I went to class this morning, which was actually pretty exciting. I'm starting to really get into my communications class, but we're all here at lunch, except Matt already ate lunch.
Let me try Mr. Lemon.
Wait, what is it?
It is Lemmy Sparkling Lemonade.
Ooh, that's
Don't try
exciting.
that one.
Oh, that one's the bad one.
So
Okay.
bad. It's like cough syrup.
Good. No.
Got some German homework done, and now I'm getting dinner. Okay. We're going to German study group next, but I probably won't vlog at all during that because I always feel weird vlogging around people that don't get it. You know?
Want me to like everyone? Hey, so if Megan's gonna vlog, don't worry about it.
Yeah, because then I have to explain it and all that. And it's just like, no, it's not worth it.
Explain it in German.
Yes. Ich spreche. Oh man, I can't do it with ice cream. Ich spreche ein bisschen Deutsch, aber meine Deutsch ist nicht sehr gut. Especially when I eat ice cream. But yeah.